Hello everyone and welcome. Drivers with stupid accidents. Expensive cars that are badly damaged. Cargo trucks that crash. And car repairs that cost a lot of dollars. Angry when in traffic? Let's go to the cases and find out the details right here. The truck driver opens the car door and went out to get the angry driver from the red car. Another person rushes to smash the car with a stick. The driver of this car has run away from the scene. They're brave. This driver has a Rolls-Royce logo. The trick to taking it out isn't as easy. Often people look for a house with a flat and a driveway to walk through. And this car went right for the swimming pool. Racing to experience the durability of the race car wall. The driver of the car in front was showing signs of changing lanes, though the collision still occurred. This white supercar is moving steadily on the road when the blue supercar rushes and overtakes it. Let's pay for that repair. The pickup truck has pulled more cargo behind. There's obviously a problem with the connection, and the cargo box of the vehicle has slipped away off of the roadway. Warning: witnessing this accident will probably haunt you for a while. Seen from the broken shell of the supercar, the speed of the car must have been extremely high. I was just sitting on my phone and focusing when the supercar has come for a visit. What makes this angry lady so upset? This truck has a really bad incident and it's extremely dangerous. The traffic light is green and the stupid car has ran the red light, causing an incident. Rescuing the car to its original state. Yet another incident. This driver did not react in time. The tow truck, the pickup truck, and everything was ready to get the car out of the sand dunes, but no. Not like that. This failed due to the wrong positioning of the pickup truck and pulling with far too much force. This is the Lamborghini's experience of running through real water. According to this observation, the car drove away with the door open, and the driver just keeps making mistakes. This fence is new, but we need to repair it. This car seems seamless, and it's lost control, but the blue car has done something else. Just lightly touch the rear of the car. Now it's confusing for drivers. They're just putting themselves in danger. A supercar has lost control and it crashes right into the column. I don't understand why this car has to turn so wide. This supercar is creating a beautiful fire on the road. Right now, it needs to be put out immediately, or there'll be great consequences. This car has come straight out from the parking lot. Do you think the driver knows how to drive this confusing problem? Nice one. A super high-speed supercar is being chased by the police.
There, but I figured I could get
A collision at the intersection.
Okay, never mind.
A supercar finds a different kind of parking spot. That's quite smooth.
This guy here is going way too fast for this turn.
The car in front suddenly stops, but the car behind does keep going. And there is a collision that occurs. This pickup truck has pulled a large container behind, and the driver did not handle it well, causing this incident to happen. If you go slow, you can just breathe in the smoke from this car. Oh no, the driver should go up immediately to avoid endangering others. This race car has a serious problem. The racer is just going to have to stop the race. A car is speeding from behind, crashing into the car in front, and out of control. That's another stab from behind. This SUV was moving far too fast and it's collided with the car, flipping many times. This pickup truck has found the electricity pole. What is wrong with the brakes of this car? This incident is causing a lot of damage to the truck. Thank you for your interest in our videos. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Thank you, and bye-bye.